screwing cable. And I'm going to try, or I'm going to fly the Mavic in the bedroom, because I want to try and see how it works under tripod mode. So we're going to do that right now. I'm going to get inspected according to 107 guidelines, and flying it inside a house kind of avoids your situation of being under 107, because they consider anything outside flying your drone for money considered a 107 situation. So being inside, I am not under those stipulations. If you're flying it just for hobby, you're not under them anyway, other than the fact that you need to be flying safely. So, but because I put these up on YouTube, it furthers my website, and my website makes money. So, kind of in a gray area, stuck between a rock and a hard spot. I am currently studying for it. I just haven't got to finish studying for it and then take the exam. The exam is going to cost you $150. If you fail the exam, you lose the $150. So, there you are. You are at risk. So, I'm going to take my camera out, my phone out of, this is a 7, the Galaxy 7 Edge, and I do have a cover on here. Well, that cover is not compatible with the and that's why I got it in a cover, because I am clumsy. So I'm pulling that back, slide that in there. Hi, Wee! Hi, Wee, you crazy girl! Got your bath, huh? Got your bath. I gotta plug this in. These have several adapting cables that connect, and it is a pain. Right. Okay, I gotta press the button here to get the. Whoop! I'm powering off. That's not good. Oh man, come on. See what you doing, girlie? Huh? I'm by myself. Okay. Time to get it plugged in again. So, there's one of them. One of the pains of the setups of this thing. Okay, I'm plugged in now. I can see that. Touch. Okay, let's bring it back over here so it's even up. One's higher than the other. Alright, that takes care of that. What are you doing, girlie? Let's go ahead and get this started up. power up. Let's do it anyway. Let's get the antennas up. Okay. Alright, we'll turn around. Okay, battery 100%. Back in there, gotta get that. Gonna push that button again. Alright, sign myself in. Alright. And I go to apps. And the DJI app. Okay. App wraps. DJI. Here we go. Okay. Save. Okay. Enter device. Panel 3, panel 4. Mavic Pro. And enter the device. Okay, fire it up. Fire this up. Okay. Push a button twice. Connecting. Percent battery. Connecting. Okay. She responding. Okay. Aircraft disconnected. Why are you disconnected? No. Real error. What the heck was that about? Something happened with the little wheel here. That's weird. Hoppy mode. Okay. She's ready to go. Let's see. Okay, latest firmware. I'm going to go here. Flight mode. Positions. Okay. I don't have to worry about outside interference right now. We're inside. Ready to go. Vision. Positions. 2. We're going to do tripod inside, quick shot. We'll go from there. Of course, everything's got to be up. Got to be up in